Alright, so look outside. It's still snowing. And they issued a emergency snow, whatever, and there's still school. Really? Alright, well, y'all can't see me, so I'm not even gonna face the camera towards me. But I don't want the camera to get damaged or whatever. But yeah, so it's snowing. This is supposed to be a snowstorm all day, right? We're supposed to get like a foot of snow or like 10 inches or something. And Mayor de Blasio didn't cancel school. Really? Michael Bloomberg would have, so I don't see why de Blasio's not. Know what I'm saying? But I'll try to face it towards me. I doubt y'all can see me, but it doesn't make sense. How the fuck? And the issue, oh, it's an emergency, yo. All transportation is closed, like, and there's still school. Get out of here, man.
No far. By 3 hours?
Mister.
Oh, you have to go to Barbados first.
Hernandez.
Yeah, and that's not far. Pay attention.
Hernandez.
Number 3 makes no sense.
Is there one?
Oh, down. It's gonna be like this.
I always violating
Following the
Jensen.
line.
Damn.
Yeah. Huh? It also be
Hernandez.
right. Moving up and down, man. The white move like this, perpendicular to the. So it's up and down. Yeah.
Oh.
Now longitudinal is like this, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
But transverse wave move like this.
Do we get extra credit for being here?
You should give us like
I didn't hear.
It's transverse wave and move the other way. Longitudinal move like this. The pipe, but transverse move up and down.
You want to do it? Alright, so I'm going home. It's snowing like crazy outside. I'm going home because we're not even doing anything in school. So that's why I'm going home. But as you can see, de Blasio is an idiot for keeping school in. But anyway, I'll catch you later. I'm about to get on the train. Alright, peace. Oh, shit. Alright, so that's what Neil said the train looks like. It's empty right now because well, that's the way the train goes, but the train comes from this way. MTA, subway system in the city. But anyway, the reason why I left school early, we weren't doing anything. I only came to take some stupid quiz, which we never took. So, and I might as well just go home. Might order me something to eat. You know I get money. I might order me something to eat. This is my outfit today. I know, not that fresh. I know. I'll show y'all in the mirror later on today. But I think there's a train coming. No, there's no train coming. But just waiting here for the train. When the train comes, I'll record again. So, boys. Huh?
You want to see a funny video?
Sure.
Look here. He's howling. Who's that?
So you make a Philly cheesesteak with that. That meat don't look too good, man. Your peppers look good. You slice those yourself? That looks good. Can you put some in there?
No, you can't.
Why?
Because you don't want to eat it.
How do you know?
Because I know you.
Can I at least try it?
Yeah, wait till it cook.
I just put
What? Oh, you can't. It got to be cooked.
You promise you'll do it?
Look, you see, this cook fast.
Only like one or two.
Only one pepper?
One or two. One of every color.
Okay.
I'm serious. That looks good though. That's healthy, right?
Yeah.
You didn't put any oil though, right?
You got to cook it with a little olive oil.
Nah, I was doing it.
Olive oil is healthy.
Oh, you're not frying it?
No, look, I sauteed it.
Oh, you sauteed it. How come the apple juice ain't in the fridge, man? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm the paparazzi. Whatever. She lays in the same spot every day, right? Hi, baby. Hello. There you go, boo-boos. Hello. What you doing? Look, he's look. You don't want to be on the camera.
Watch your pops. Can I finish?
I want. So does that actually taste like Philly cheesesteak? You know the what happened when you went to pass?
I got it.
You know the famous Geno's Philly cheesesteak in Jersey? You went there when we went to Atlantic City?
Yeah.
You tasted it before, right? I mean, well, you like it, right?
Yeah.
Can I put a pot with the vegetables in there?
Well,
Back there? Pot, and I put my veggies in there?
on the top, the foil.
Alright. Sugar. Psst, psst, psst. Hi, sleepyhead. Bacon, eggs, waffles, orange juice, syrup. Oh my god. I know.
It's very practical.
Morning, y'all. Look, look, look. I'm still in here. I'm still in here. Crazy, man. I don't know. Whatever. Ooh, what is up, Rabbit Nation? It's your man, B Rabbit. Anyway, really quickly, I just want to show y'all this is the Elgato Game Capture HD. It's so tiny, man, compared to this gigantic HD PVR. I'm still gonna use this for PS3 and Xbox. And then I have my Elgato as well. And this is the box that the Elgato came in. Pretty neat and tiny. So it's very good. I'm gonna put this to the side. But yeah, you just have HDMI out, HDMI in, power cord connected to this. And oh, what's good about it? It connects straight to your computer for power, not into the outlet. So that's why it's good. Anyway, that's pretty much it. No more HD PVR. Could finally upload next gen gameplay. I know I'm late, but anyway, peace.